In this video, I'm gonna show you how you could check your shadow banned on Twitter or X. So basically, you go to this website right here. This is the website, and you could just check if you're shadow banned or not. As you can see, it says right here. Let's put in the username. For example, let's put 69. As you can see, it says no search ban, no search suggestion ban. It says ghost ban. If sometimes it can't check if you're ghost banned, it's gonna say this. We can do another account right here. As you see, this account it says no ghost ban, but I do have a search ban and a search suggestion ban, but I don't have a ghost ban or no reply boosting. I'm deboosting, and yeah, that's basically it. It's pretty easy to do. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.